Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In this sub-series, we are going to look at the repeater control. So repeater is a data-based control, and we will see how to use this control in this sub-series. To display all records in a table at a time, we can use ASP.NET repeater control. So here, if your table contains say some 20 records, right, using the repeater control you can display the multiple records in a page. So we call this as a repeater. That means in a specific pattern the display will be repeated. Say for example, this is one record and you are picking it and you are displaying this in this format. See, first row some 2 column, in second row 3 column, in third row 1 column. So the repeater will repeat this same format for all the control. So that's why we call it as a repeater control. This will be for first and this one will be for the second record, and it will be in the same format of the first record. So like this, the repeater control will repeat the presentation of a single record, and this repetition can happen in a page multiple times. So that's why we call this as a repeater control. Repeater is a template driven control. That means there are a lot of template available with the repeater, and you can adjust those template to customize the display of the records. We can format the output based on our need. So here we are talking about formatting, right? So we can do format based on these templates. So there are variety of templates that we will learn when we are progressing through this sub-series. In this sub-series, we will learn customizing the ASP.NET repeater control via these templates. So here we are talking about there are multiple templates, right? So we will see how to decide the format in which records to be displayed, and that format can be adjusted using the template. That's what we are going to learn in this sub-series. And in the next video, we will display data using this repeater control, and we will get introduced to the usage of a repeater control. Alright, that's all here in this video. We will start the demo from next video onwards. Thank you for watching. Bye.